Hi, Form 4 Bio Chapter 4 Video Number 14. I'm here again. 我们又来了 Okay? So when we talk about nucleic acid, we're having two types of nucleic acid. Nucleic acid 有两种 DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA, ribonucleic acids. So now we start with the first one. 我们开始第一种 DNA. Okay? So what is mean by DNA? 什么叫 DNA 呢？As slow as possible, 越慢越好 Okay? So DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, what is this actually? 什么东西来的？从小讲到大 DNA 要 check 你的 DNA 讲到现在什么是 DNA 唔知啊 Okay? So copy first sentence 第9面如果没有错 OK 好了对不对 Pause the video 好了啊没有等你 OK So DNA consists of two polynucleotide strands. DNA 里面有两条 polynucleotide strands， 两条的 polynucleotide that coil around each other. 这样子 ，OK, coil around each other in the opposite direction to form the double helix. 它们这样子 coil around each other in the opposite directions.So when I show you something like this， 如果我的手这样子比给你看呢 ，they are in the same direction， 它们的方向是一样的。But actually no， 它是一条上去一条，它是一条上去一条下来的，明白吗 ？OK， 哎呀，很难比啊。OK，so DNA consists of two strands of polynucleotides, strands that coil each other in the opposite direction.To form the double helix， 那它形成一个东西就叫 double helix。double 就是2 helix 就是旋转的旋风这样子的形状啦。I show you the diagram 呢，我给你看那个图片，你不要画哈。OK。So what is this？ 什么东西来的呢 ？This is a polynucleotides。OK。What is this？ This is another polynucleotides。So two strands of polynucleotides there's coil each other， 它们两个卷来卷去 in the opposite directions， 这条可能上去，跟这条呢可能下来 ，OK，and it form the double helix， 它形成的这种 pattern 呢，好像旋风这样子卷来卷去，两条一起卷来卷去 ，but remember the direction is different， 一条上来，一条上去 ，OK，so this is what we call DNA。第一句话明白了没有 ？So DNA consists of two strings of polynucleotides that coil each other， 卷来卷去 in the opposite direction， 方向倒反 to form double helix， 然后形成了这种 pattern double helix。So this is the first sentence， 明白吗 ？And now we move to the second sentence， 我们看第二句了。OK，the nitrogenous bases。The nitrogenous bases on both polynucleotide chains complements each other, and they are held together by hydrogen bond. You know, 对不对 ？Don't worry， 不要怕，我们 online 就永远不用怕了。Okay, so the nitrogenous bases on both polynucleotide chains complement each other, and they are held together by hydrogen bonds. 什么意思呢 Okay, so this is one of the polynucleotide， 其中一条的 polynucleotide. And this is another polynucleotide， 另外一条的 polynucleotide. Okay, so how the two polynucleotide join together？ 这两条的 polynucleotide 呢，到底怎样结合在一起的呢 Okay, they join together actually.By using the nitrogenous bases， 用它们的 polynucleotide 里面的 nitrogenous bases join together with the hydrogen bond， 什么意思呢 ？Polynucleotides， polynucleotide and they having the nitrogenous bases， 它那边里面有 nitrogenous bases， so this is also the nitrogenous bases for another polynucleotide. So the both nitrogenous bases actually they are hold together, they are bond together, they are joined together by the hydrogen bond between the two nitrogenous bases. Okay, or maybe you start to become blur， 对不对？开始晕了，要 complain 了，要打电脑了。Okay， 打不到我。Okay, so polynucleotide, how they join together? They join together by using the hydrogen bond between the nitrogenous bases. 它用它的 nitrogenous bases 之间的一种 chemical bond, hydrogen bond 粘着 粘着就变成了一种 double helix 啊。now I change into diagram， 我把这第二句话啦 make it become a diagram， 变成一个图片给你看。过后不管你是谁，UPSA 没有拿到半个 A 的人 ，you still can understand。OK， 来了。那 slowly follow me, copy on your notes. You having this diagram, the same diagram. OK， 来。So what is this? Body nucleotides. What's this? Body nucleotides. So DNA actually is made up of 2 body nucleotides. DNA 里面有2条的 body nucleotide. Okay, they join together, become double helix. So until now, okay? 这个 OK 啊？ And now, in the body nucleotide, for each of the body nucleotides, 这一条的 body nucleotide 里面呢 they're having the backbone of DNA. Okay? So this is a backbone of DNA. DNA 的脊椎骨来的啦 the backbone of DNA. But the backbone of DNA actually is made up of what? Consisting what? 这个 backbone DNA 的脊椎骨呢，这一条也是啦 the backbone of DNA actually is made up of what? 它是什么东西做的呢？ It is made up of pentose sugar plus phosphate group. 它就是 pentose sugar 跟 phosphate group 形成的。Copy first. 等一下还有很多图片帮你明白，慢慢来。So 2 strands of body nucleotide join together, become DNA, and become the structure called double helix. And the backbone of DNA actually made up of pentose sugar and phosphate group. 它的脊椎骨就是这2条骨头 is made up of pentose sugar and phosphate group. But how the 2 strands of body nucleotide join together? 这2条的 body nucleotide 它们到底怎样结合在一起呢？ So the 2 strands of body nucleotide actually they are joined together by the hydrogen bond between the nitrogenous bases. 它们讲粘，他们用的就是 hydrogen bond between the 2 nitrogenous bases. Or what is this? The nitrogenous bases. So the 2 strands of body nucleotide, 这2条的 body nucleotide, they are joined together, they are bond together by the hydrogen bond between the pair of nitrogenous bases. 就是这些一堆一堆的 nitrogenous bases 用 hydrogen bond 结合起来。Copy first. And when we talk about nitrogenous bases, 当我们讲到 nitrogenous bases, we're having 4 types of nitrogenous bases. Okay, on the body nucleotide 有4种的 nitrogenous bases. So add in your note, 加在你的 notes 的最下面的格子了。So 2 body nucleotide, they are bound together by the nitrogenous bases. Okay, by the hydrogen bond between the nitrogenous bases. And when we talk about nitrogenous bases, we're having 4 types of nitrogenous bases. 当我们讲到这种 nitrogenous bases 啊，就是 nitrogen 的底盘啊，它有4种的 nitrogen bases A, D, C, G, or what is mean by A, D, C, G. I'll copy first. We're having 4 types of nitrogenous bases, and the first one 第一种呢就叫 A adenine 大号的 A 啊 D thymine. Okay, 4种的 nitrogenous bases, 4种罢了，不要怕。And beside A and D, we're still having the C cytosines, and G guanine. Okay, 4种的 nitrogenous bases. But when the nitrogenous bases pair together, 当这4种的 nitrogenous bases pair together, they always pair in this way. 他们永远都用这样子的方法呢 pair 起来。A always pair together with the D, with the hydrogen bond. A 跟 D 永远 pair 在一起的 pair 在一起。C going to pair together with the G. C 呢就跟那个 G 呢 pair 在一起 by using what? Hydrogen bond between the nitrogenous pair 啦，用的就是它的 hydrogen bond. Okay, but if you want to go detail 啦 ，bio 不用紧啦。Okay, but in chemistry 主要你要看 detail 啊。A and D they having double bond 是2条线的。C and G they having triple bond 是3条线的 ，but in bio 它不要提起啦，不要提起不用紧。不过你仔细的图片你会看到 A and D they will pair together with the hydrogen bond that is double bond, and CG triple bonds. Okay, so this is what we call DNA. 能吗？不能，我们再来，我们还有东西，我们的资，OK， 我们的东西用不完的 ，so continue again， so 这一次你没有了啊，我给你明白罢了。So DNA structure. So DNA is made up of 2 strands of polynucleotides. So 这边就是一条的 polynucleotide. Okay, this is another polynucleotide. 这边是另外一条的 polynucleotide， 对不对 ？Okay, and for DNA, it having a backbone. Okay, DNA 它有它的脊椎骨。Or this is a backbone. This is a backbone of DNA. And the backbone of DNA is actually made up of what? Pentose sugar. 它就是 pentose sugar 造成的。And beside the pentose sugar, it also made up of phosphorus. Okay, pentose sugar 跟 phosphorus 它们结合 Okay, and become the backbone of DNA 就变成了 DNA 的脊椎骨。But you can see another one. Another one will be different of direction. 它的方向是倒反的。它画的时候也倒反，它的方向是倒反的啦，明白吗 ？OK。So how the 2 strands of polynucleotide join together? 这两条的 polynucleotide how they join together? They will be joined together by hydrogen bond between the nitrogenous bases. Hydrogen bond between the 2 nitrogenous bases. And when they join together, A always join together with the T. A 永远对着 T。C always join together with the G. 有看到吗？AD double bond, CG triple bonds. Okay, so 它们就这样子形成的 DNA。再来 ，so DNA actually is made up of 2 strands of polynucleotide， 它就是两条的 polynucleotide 形成的。Okay, and the DNA having the backbone， 它的 backbone 脊椎骨呢 ，actually is made up of what？ 是什么东西形成的 ？pentose sugar 五角糖，乱翻译的啊。Okay, or 还有另外一个叫 phosphorus. Okay, and the 2 strands of polynucleotide they are joined together by the hydrogen bond between the nitrogenous bases, and we're having 4 nitrogenous bases: AD, CG, A 永远对 D, C 永远对 G, and finally they become the structure. 它们就变成了这种结构了，就叫 DNA. 它收藏了你的遗传基因在里面呢。Okay, DNA.OK， 第三句。Now, when you copy, you understand 你已经明白了。The nitrogenous bases for DNA are adenine, A 啦 guanine, okay, G thymine, D cytosine, C, okay, A pair with D, G pair with C 啦 ，A D C G 永远这样子 pair 在一起的 ，OK。Set so this is DNA. 我们从小讲到大，看戏一直看到的 check DNA， check 它是不是你的爸爸妈妈 ？OK， 不要怀疑，你爸爸永远是你爸爸 ，OK， 妈妈也是。再来 RNA. So what is mean by RNA? So we wait for another video 啦，我们要看下一个 video 了，拜拜。